Notes help you add important instructions to your to-dos. Sometimes it might not be enough to just add a task without explaining it a little bit. When creating a new reminder, you can add notes right below your title. Tapping on a title of an already existing reminder also brings it up. When the instructions are complex, you can format them so they have a bit of structure. That way they're easier to follow and understand. For simple editing, you can make the text bold, italic, or underline. I want this bold and underlined. If you want to strike out, that only comes when you go to More Options. On iPhone, some features don't work. You can't change your font color, type, or size. But you can align your text though. Without using the list tool, you can add numbered lists to your notes by simply numbering the first instruction. The app then does the rest after that. The same goes for dashed lists.